Alright, to do this look, we're going to start with some gold base eyeshadow. It's actually in a color called Cheers to You in the 35C Everyday Chick Morph palette. I'm just going to lay a base of that color, Cheers to You, up to the brow bone, not all the way to the eyebrow. Both sides. That's just for us to get started. Now I'm gonna line my eyes inside on my waterline. Smash it kind of into the lashes a little bit, because I'm gonna blend it out and smudge it. Put it on the top. I can just slip the pencil right under my eyelashes and it'll color on. Alright, now I'm gonna smudge the bottom with a little foam applicator. Make sure my eyelashes aren't clumped up in the liner. Alright, now I have a jumbo stick, NYX, let's see what color this is. Irish Cream. It's a green. I'm gonna put it on top of my eyelid. It's basically like a cream eyeshadow. You can use it for a liner, you can do all sorts of things with it. Just gonna put it right on top of the base I already had down. I'm gonna rub it in with my finger. Gives like a green iridescent look. Okay. And the next eye. I'm not going up to the brow bone, I'm just going on my eyelid and rub it in my finger. Okay. Now I'm going to take a darker green. This is a NYX Epic Wear in Emerald Cut. And I'm going to just line the top. I'm going to put a little tail out here. Line it up with my bottom lash angle. Okay. Make a little mark. But again. Okay. Then just bring it all the way across. Try to do it in one smooth motion if you can. I'm going to put glitter on over this, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just going to serve as a base for glitter. Okay. Now I'm going to use my liquid sugar. I've got a little vial of it. And I have a narrow brush. I'm going to just dip my brush in the liquid sugar. Try to bring it to a point. Just get it just damp. Then I'm going to go right on top of the green eyeliner. Just to get it wet. Then I have a narrow angled brush. I'm going to dunk it in the loose glitter. I have some extra fine holographic green glitter. And I'm going to dab it on to the wet liquid sugar. The holographic glitter colors have kind of other colors embedded in it. There's a little gold in here, if you look closely. Okay, now I'm going to dry it. Just a little bit, it was getting pretty dry. Okay, the next eye, again, dip my little brush into liquid sugar. And get it wet, maybe a little bit more. I think I got too much off. Right, and then again, in the loose glitter, you have your angled brush. You just pick up the loose glitter and stick it on. I dab it on instead of rubbing it on because I don't want the glitter to cake and stick to itself. I want it to stick to my eye. A little bit more, I'm trying to even it up. Some glitter will fall off on your face, if you can get that off later. Alright, you can kind of tell when it dries because it's not cool to your eyelid anymore. Just come in here and even it out a little bit. Try to bring it to a point. I'm right-handed, so it's hard to get the angle exactly the same on both sides, so sometimes you have to go clean it up. Is what it is. Now I'm gonna just do some gold underneath to try to pull it together. This is, I'm calling it gold. It's more of a champagne color. It's rose gold, okay. Epic Wear, NYX. I love the Epic Wear. It goes on really smooth. And it kind of is, I don't know, oily. It's almost like a grease pencil or something. That's the way it goes on. So it's not dry, it doesn't cake. Get all the way to the corner because I want it to reflect some light. Go all the way out. You can barely see it, but just lightens things up a bit. In the corner. Go under the eye, in the lash line. Bring it across. Just like that. Okay, I'll take my pinky and I'll get in there and smudge it a little bit. Okay, now for the excess glitter on your face, you take like a brush, squeeze the bristles together to make them firm. And then the bristles will get underneath the glitter and pick it up off of your skin. Okay. And now I'm just going to do some black mascara. Man-Eater black. Alright, move your lashes side to side in the brush. Get as much as you can on. When you move to side, the lash hairs get in between the bristles. It really gets a lot on the brush. I'm kind of rotating the brush too when I move to the other eye to get the mascara that's on the other side of the brush on my eye. Sometimes I double dip, but not this time. Alright, for the top, I swirl it around and I get a big clump of mascara on the end. And then I put it in my eyelashes like this. side to side, get it all off. And then while it's still wet, fan them out. You put that much mascara on, it doesn't dry very quickly, so then you can shape your eyelashes how you want them. Next eye, swirl it around, get a big clump. That's maybe too big. Okay. Smudge it in your eyelashes like that. Once it's all off, fan them out. And then I focus the brush a little bit in the corner. Try to even it up. Okay, and that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. You can wear I would wear a regular color, like skin tone color lip gloss or lipstick. Just like that. Alright, have a good one. Bye everybody.